All right. Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shano. Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shino. Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shino. Okay. Carlton.
Yes, Chanda.
Come, I want to surprise you that I can count in Shona 1 to 5.
1 to 5?
Yes.
All right.
Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shino.
Wow, good job. Now you're able to count 1 up to 5.
Yes.
All right. Can you do it again?
Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shano.
Shano. Wow, good job. This is perfect. So next time 6 now it's Tanatu.
Tanatu.
Nomwe.
Nome.
Sere.
Fumbame.
Gumi.
Gumi.
Wow, good job. This is excellent. Wow, this is nice. Good job.
I pronounced very well.
Very well. You did very well. Very well.
Motsi Piri Tatu Ina Shamo. And then what?
This one is Tanatu.
Nome. Sere.
Fumbame.
Gumi.
Good job. Good job.